So going back to the basics, our nervous system is the one that helps our body control and coordinate by sending neurotransmitters that help us respond to the surroundings appropriately. So imagine if every signal in our system never stopped slowing down. It would be pretty chaotic, right? So this is where the neurotransmitter glycine comes in. Glycine is one of the main inhibitory neurotransmitters in our nervous system. Its job is crucial but simple, and it's only just to slow things down. So what happens is when glycine is released, it binds to the receptors on the neurons, and then it opens up the chloride channels. So this makes the neuron less likely to fire. So it acts like a calming signal. So in other words, glycine is telling your nervous system, relax, don't overreact. Okay, so other than that, glycine also helps balance other neurotransmitters such as dopamine. So these signals are going to be precise, so they're not too weak and not too strong. So while glycine may not be like loud or flashy, it's like the quiet controller of our nervous system. And it's the neurotransmitter that keeps everything under control.
Okay, now I will be showing you a diagram of this glycine neurotransmitter. So let's trace the path of glycine, a crucial inhibitory neurotransmitter. So the story starts with glucose. Okay, the glucose, okay, here's the glucose, right? So which is metabolized to produce the amino acid serine inside the neuron. The enzyme serine hydroxymethyltransferase converts serine into our neurotransmitter. So this newly made glycine is then packaged into vesicles that by the vascular transporter VIAAT in the presynaptic terminal. See this. Upon signing, glycine is released into the synapse. It crosses the cleft and binds to its specific postsynaptic receptor, which is this. As you can see, this binding typically opens chloride channels, inhibiting the next neuron. To terminate the signal, glycine is rapidly cleared from the synapse. This is done by a sodium-dependent transport mechanism back into the presynaptic terminal, ready to be recycled.
Okay, now let's talk about the other function of glycine. Glycine is an inhibitory neurotransmitter mainly found in the spinal cord, brainstem, and retina. Its role is to slow down nerve signals in the nervous system because glycine reduces excessive neural activity. It plays an important role in controlling movement and muscle coordination. It helps our muscle relax after they contract, which allows our movement to be smooth and controlled instead of stiff or jerky. In terms of behavior, glycine also contributes to calmness and stability. By preventing our excitation in the nervous system, glycine helps the body stay relaxed and balanced, especially during rest and sleep. Glycine also supports sensory processing, especially reflexes. For example, when we react quickly to pain or touch. Glycine helps regulate how strong and fast the response should be. If glycine levels are too low, nerve signals can become overactive. This may lead to muscle stiffness, spasm, and saturated reflexes of difficulty controlling movement, which can affect daily behavior and physical function.
When we lack of glycine, there are some disorders that we can get diagnosed of, which is non-ketotic hypoglycemia, hyperlexia, chronic pain, and psychiatric disorders. So today I'll be talking about chronic pain and pathology disorders. So chronic pain refers to pain that persists more than 3 months and significantly affect daily functioning. In some cases, seeking medical attention from a specialist is really recommended. Moreover, I will talk about psychiatric disorders. There are many types of psychiatric disorders, but today I will be talking about anxiety and depression. Anxiety is a mixed feelings of uneasiness and fear. Also, depression is a feeling when you feel overwhelming, sadness, and more. So, this happens when there is lack of glycine, but however, lack of glycine have no specific disorders such as glycine deficiency disorders. So yeah, that's all for types of related disorders. Okay, so now we're talking about treatments if we have lack of glycine. So I'll be talking about 2 treatments, which is glycine-rich diet and supplements. So for glycine-rich diet, patients have to eat food that are high in glycine, such as chicken skin and meat. Number two, supplement. You can take magnesium glycinate that can help you to get a better sleep. You can take it twice a day. So that's all from me. Thank you.